Hello all office executives, I'm back again with another video, and in this particular video I'll be guiding you how to use Gemini CLI at your convenience. So if you go to Google and just search for this particular option Gemini CLI, how to use it. So in the Google AI prompt it is showing that you need Node.js to be installed on your system. So what you can do is that you can go to the Node.js, visit this particular website, that is nodejs.org/en for English, and then download. From there download this .msi version, and then you need to add it to your path. That is, search for Node.js. Here it is. Right click on it and then go to open file location. From there copy this path, Ctrl C. After that search for environmental variables. So edit the system environmental variables, and in the path section go to edit and add the path. Here I have already added the node. So whenever you have added the Node.js to your path variables, what you will be getting is that whenever you will be running this particular command node underscore version, the hyphen version, it will be showing your node version. Now comes the funny part, or the interesting part, that how you can install this particular Gemini thing. So let me copy this code. Now go to command prompt and just paste it, Ctrl V. So there are so many spaces before npm. Let me clear it out and hit enter. It would take some time, definitely it would take some time. So while it is taking up time, I am only going to the properties section, and from there font, I will be making the font a little bit bigger so that it is more viewable to the user who are watching this particular video. Okay, so npm install Google Gemini CLI, it is installing. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. So while it is getting downloaded, let me make you assure that what you can do with Gemini CLI. So as an office executive, we all know that we have all visited many websites. There are Amazon.in and there are several other websites. But instead of knowing all the in-depth knowledge of how to use or how to build on your own HTML document, you can use this particular CLI, that is Gemini, to build your own customized website according to your needs without going into the hassle of knowing the background usage of how HTML works. So it's still installing. Hope it gets installed quickly, so that this video is not elongated. I mean, the video doesn't just go along for a longer period of time. It's still installing. So what I can do is that I can pause the video. Here it is. Let me pause while it gets downloaded. Okay, coders, back again with this video. So it is showing that this particular Google Gemini CLI has been installed on your computer. So notice to update, install g hyphen something like this, and there are several other things which is being shown. Now comes the funny part, how to create your own website. Gemini. Type in the Google in the command prompt Gemini, and Gemini prompt will be opened up. Alternatively, you can enter with the Google npx install, launch the CLI, type Gemini in your terminal and press enter. Choose sign in method, browser, something, basic usage. Okay, fine. So let's see whether it is asking me for any verification. Okay, so after installation of Gemini, what I did is that I closed the command prompt. So how to install Gemini? What are the steps? The steps are as such that you need to just Control Shift T, no, it's not working up. So okay, so what I did is that I just type here Gemini CLI, and what AI is showing, AI mode, click on it. So it is showing that to install Gemini CLI. Okay, no, still not a good result. Gemini CLI, how to use it, search for it, and here you are getting that ensure Node.js is installed. So to install Node.js, go to nodejs.org/en for English /download. From there install Node, and in the environmental variable search for environmental variable, and in the environmental variable just install this just add this to your path, node.js path, installation path. I have already showed that. Now after installation of Google Gemini, how to install Google Gemini? Here is the code, npm install this one. So after installation of Google Gemini, what you can do is that you need to close the command prompt and open it up again, and here is my Gemini CLI, and it is showing login with Google. Let me press 1, allow access. So I'll be using this particular toast.make text, sign in. So you need a Google account, right, to install this one. Okay, so Gemini code, and you are now authorized to access your account. Fine. So let me go back to the Gemini, type your message in here. Let me close this one, and again open up command prompt, cmd, and there write the command Gemini. Okay, waiting for okay, type your message. Here it is. So now generate an HTML file, generate an HTML file inside a folder named age calcu in my desktop where an HTML file inside a folder named hcalcu in my desktop where the website will have a text box where we can select our age using calendar, and it will show result, for the age as on the current system date and time. Okay, so it is showing that you are running Gemini CLI in your home directory. It is recommended to run in the project specific directory. Fine. So let me copy this code. Control C. Now what I will be doing is that I will be closing the CLI, and then inside desktop, on the desktop, window M to minimize. So here I will be creating a folder, Control Shift N, age calcu. From here I will be going to the CMD and paste the particular Control Z. Let me close this one. Right here again CMD and write Gemini. Now let me type the message in here. So here I'll be Control V. Okay, so let me write it down one more time. Generate a HTML page here which will be having text box, which will be having text box allowed, which will be having text box allowed to use calendar to set age and calculate the age according to the current date and time. So generate a HTML page here. So by here I mean here in the directory I am working upon, I am working upon, not I am working on. Now let's hit enter. %99 context left. Let me pause the video. Okay, so I paused the video, but the thing was here, which is written was that apply this change, yes, allow once, yes, allow ways, modify with external editor, no suggest changes. So let me press 1. Now it is asking, okay, so it is generating. So it has generated. Let me check whether it has generated or not. So inside HCalcu it has index. Let me double click on it and let's see if it is Google Chrome. Okay, so here it is. So date of birth will be something like a person is born on 1990. And he has born on February 13th. Calculate age. Your age is 35 years old. So how am I supposed to know whether it is showing the correct result or not? Again I will be going to the Google and I will be searching here online age calculator. Here it is. So my birthday is on February. What is the date? 13/2. So here it will be 13 and the year is 1990. Yeah. So let me calculate. 35 years, 6 months and 20 days. So as I am getting the result, your age is 35 years. So here what I did is that, let me summarize what I did. Let me open up WordPad. Number 1, install Node.js. How to do so? Visit nodejs.org/en/downloads. Fine. Number 2, go to Google and enter the search query What is the search query? Here it is. Google Gemini CLI, how to use it. Fine. So next, make a folder and inside it run the following make a folder and run command prompt cmd and type the prompt for the HTML you want to develop. That's it. But before doing so, how to use it? So after install Node.js, then what I will be doing is that close cmd and type node -- version to ensure your Node.js is installed. Fine. So the next step will be something like this. Go to Google and type and search the search query Gemini CLI, how to use it. After executing the script, so what is the script that I am executing? The script is something like this. Close cmd and rerun cmd from inside the following folder, make a folder and inside it run cmd and type the prompt for the HTML you want to develop. So this is the steps. So I know the video is pretty elongated. It is showing 17 minutes and 10 seconds. It took some time, but I did it all from the scratch. Nothing was installed on my system. Not Node.js. Gemini CLI was not installed. I guided you on how to install Node.js, and then I went on to install Gemini CLI. After that, I built the web page. So in my desktop there is a particular folder hcalcu, and here Gemini CLI has generated a index page. So here are the codes. Fine. So let me know in the comment section. I know the video is a pretty elongated one, and I have just added up a lot of jargon talk in here. Make use of the video and run it on your own to build some HTML out of your own without going through the hassle of knowing the HTML, how it works and all the coding stuff. Gemini will be guiding you on to build the web page on all by itself. So that's all for this particular video. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.